What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. Today we got a quick, it ain't gonna be quick, I'll tell you like that, it ain't gonna be quick. But today we got an installation going on to Khrome. I told you that I was gonna get the rear lever brake on for the bike in contrast cut, and I got it the other day, and I told you Harley Davidson already had it up there for me. So this is what we're getting ready to install. I got all my tools, I got everything. I'm ready to rock and roll and get this on. This is overdue right here. It comes with the bag of goodies right here. You got the new nut, you got the couple washers, and yeah, and you got a new cotter pin in here too as well. But this is what we putting on today. Look at that. Don't that look nice? You know, on the other side I have the Harley Davidson cut already for the shifter and the shift linkage. So yeah, we got that over there. But yeah, we're gonna get this on, y'all. We're gonna have to take off this right here. We're gonna take the floorboard off. Take this off, and we're gonna get to it. Just got this bolt here. I might have to move the reservoir a little bit because you got to get to the cotter pin that's deep down off in there. So we're gonna have to do that. So it should be a pretty decent fix, hopefully it don't be too hard. But I'm gonna put some tape on this, some painter's tape, because I don't want to get it scratched. So yeah, I just wanted to show it to you, but check that out. Yeah, that's gonna look real nice on the bike, y'all. And I've been wanting this for a minute. And I'm gonna show you the other side too as well after we get done putting this on, and just show you how it matches up and everything. So man, let's get to it, and I get this floorboard off and get this off, and we'll keep moving. But let me wrap this up first. I get up with y'all. Got the 5/16 like an Allen head here. We're gonna remove this whole floorboard here, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna remove this, and you're gonna have to remove this, y'all. So don't think you're gonna be able to get by without removing this. You're gonna have to pull this off. And make sure you use your blue Loctite. I do have it over there because you don't want none of this coming off on you coming down the highway. One thing about me, I gotta make sure I got blue Loctite, because the way I travel, I hate to be on the road and something come off on me. That ain't gonna be a good day. So yeah. So we gonna just kind of set this to the side like this without scratching it up. And this right here, the bolt right there, gonna be, what is this? It's a 16 millimeter right here. Okay, you got the nut, and you got a O-ring in here as well. And you know you got some new O-rings that's coming with it too in the package. So, but this one still look good. So, but I am gonna use the new ones. I'm gonna use everything new. So make sure I don't have any issues. So now here come the little tough part here, y'all. You got a cotter pin back here. And we're gonna have to pull that out some kind of way. I might have to take this reservoir deal off of here, reservoir thing right here, and kind of pull it forward. But I'm gonna get my needle nose, and I'm gonna try to get off in there. Let me get that done real quick. I don't know if y'all can see this pin back here, but it's a pin right there on that deal right there. So yeah, we're gonna get that off. Hey, you got to get this cotter pin out back here on the back. I had to take this off, remove those two screws right here. There we go. And we got the cotter pin off and the little washer that comes with it. And you gotta push this out right here. That's where the cotter pin go in the little hole. And now we just get this boy off. All right, look at that. So the other one should be easy to go on. I'm gonna get the package here. Like I say, I'm going to replace the rubbers, even though they look good. It's you have one here still. The rubbers and everything, I mean, they still look brand new. And you see you got 2 new rubbers, a new cotter pin, and everything. So let's get it put on. We'll get that put on. And now we're gonna put this on. I taped this up because I did not want any scratches on it, if possible. So okay. Now we got to get that on. We got to get this back in the hole here. Line that up. All right, we got that in. Now the hardest thing gonna be is getting this back in here and getting the cotter pin back on it. So we're gonna get this little washer back on the back of here. And you really wanna make sure you put this washer back because you don't wanna have no slack in that at all. Because this is dealing with your brakes, so you don't even wanna take that chance. So yeah. Okay. We got that on, and there's the hole right there. Now let's see if we can get this in here pretty easily. Okay, y'all, I got the cotter pin. I had to go from the top and stick it down and bend it from the bottom. So that was pretty easy once I figured that out. That was the easier way to go. So I got my blue Loctite on here. As you can see, I'm using it. Make sure you use that stuff, y'all. They make that stuff for a reason. And let's get this tightened up. I didn't even get my torque wrench off over there. I'm just gonna snug it up real good like I normally do. Don't over tighten them. You do got blue Loctite on there, so. And I do have a torque wrench, but yeah. But that's it on here, man. Let's get this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here, the brake pedal, and we're gonna pull off all this tape on here. So we put the new washer on. Make sure you put that on, and then go with the washer there. And make sure you put the blue Loctite on here. Because you don't want to have that issue with it coming off. We're gonna go back with the 16 millimeter. Y'all see that this is an easy fix. You can do this if you want to change out your brake lever to match up. I see I got the black and chrome here as well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the tape off. And when I get the brake pedal on here, I'm gonna take this off here. And when I get that on, I'm gonna show you what it look like on this side and the other side, all right? So yeah, that looks really good, y'all. I like that look. That is it, baby. We are on it. Y'all take a look at that. Like I say, the hardest thing was getting the cotter pin out, y'all. This little pin here. This was the hardest thing to get out. I wish this screw right here was black, y'all. That little screw that I put in right here, I wish that was black. I might see if I can find me a black one. I hate the way that sticks out like that. So yeah, man. But man, tell me what you think about that look right there. Oh yeah, it looks sweet. It looks sweet. I'm gonna pull the bike down, y'all. I'm gonna pull the bike down and let y'all, I'm gonna go around the bike. I'm gonna let you see that it matches up to the other side, and we'll be done with this video. So let's get this down and we'll give you a look at it. See? Yeah, it's done. Look at it, take a look at it. Look how the black contrast just matches up with everything that I got going on the bike. So yeah, so let me show you the other side, show you what I was actually matching it up with. And you see right here, contrast cut, everything contrast cut. So yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it, man, for the foot, y'all. But y'all, you see here, your Ultracool. Make sure you go to ultracoolfl.com and get your 10% off using my discount code, capital K, lowercase ELLY, and a capital B, all one word. Make sure you go do that. But man, y'all see how that looks. We got a few more things coming for Khrome, y'all. Like I say, I'm not getting rid of this bike. I know people getting rid of their bikes, but hey, this bike is gonna be here. But it will be something added to the garage. But man, till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe and have a blessed Saturday. I'm out. Peace.